no.
Babatola. Wait. Are you just coming or did you enter before?
I'm just coming. What happened?
Where is that gown that you want to amend for Tola?
Which gown?
That's my pink gown now. You said you want to amend it for her this morning.
But I did not take it when I was going now. Did I take it?
Yes.
Yeah. I forget to tell you. Don't worry.
Where's my gown?
So I cannot touch my wife again. I forgot to tell you. Don't worry. I've given it to one of my. You know what happened is that when I was going, that you know that tailor beside our street there, down there, that is beside that woman that is selling Yoruba, that is selling provision. That tailor now, that woman. So when I go to her shop, I want to give her. So it's the apprentice that I met. They said she's not around. So and I don't want them to spoil that clothes for me because you know it's my beautiful that I want to wear it. So and I took it away from there. So I was I went to that third street. I want to go and give one tailor there. That one too is not around. So and you know this Ejikari shop, I want to use them, but the way she was handling that machine, I'm not sure that she can do it perfectly. So and now I'm going to go and give my friend at the next